bar tonight. Whatever you're going through, grab a long neck bottle or a big old pint and let's all have a few. 'Cause we're all in this together. To me it's all so clear. Drinking ought to be a team effort. There is no I in beer. Got a buddy who's heart broke. See if you can get him on the phone. You tell him life ain't fair, we all been there, but you don't have to drink alone. 'Cause we're all in this together. That's why God put us here. Drinking ought to be a team effort. There is no I in beer. There ain't no you right in beer, that's right. But there's about to be a lot of beer in you and I. We're all in this together. This was gonna be our season. Yeah, we were the team to beat. Oh, but not anymore. We're looking at the score in shock and disbelief. But we're all in this together, and there's always next year. I'm liking all this team effort. There ain't no I in beer. Yeah, we're all in this together. That's why God put us here. Go ahead and check your Webster's. There ain't no I in beer. Yeah, to the farmers and the first responders, to the truck drivers shifting gears, every nurse that needs a break, let me buy you a drink. There ain't no I in beer.
One, two, and three, and four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.